Of Devi Nandraj Public School. Today we are going to study Chapter 6 GK Class 3. The chapter name is Our Religions. Yes, you all know that India is the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and they are collectively known as Indian religion. India's religion. So I will tell you first of all, those who believe in God, that God exists, are called theism, and those who do not believe in any gods are called atheist. So let us discuss about some of the religion given in this chapter. Let me tell you first that India is a land of many faith and religion. So we follow different principles, different faiths and teachings of the founders of their religion, and a person who follows a religion is called its follower, and every religion has at least one holy book and a place of worship. So in this chapter we are going to discuss 8 major religions in India. They are Hinduism, Islam, Christianism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism and Shintoism. Let us start now. The very first one, Hinduism. Hinduism was founded some 4000 years ago. In this chapter, what you have to do? You have to mention the place of worship, its founder and followers. But I will tell you the holy book also. Okay. Place of worship for Hinduism is temple. Founder is unknown because somebody says that the Siddhartha is the founder. So we are not very sure about the founder, so it's written unknown, and the followers are Hindu. And you all know that the holy book of Hindu is Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads and Vedas. Now let's come to the Islam. Islam was founded some 13 years ago. Place of worship is mosque. You can see the picture of mosque here. Founder is Prophet Muhammad and the followers are Muslim. And you know the holy book of Islam is Quran. Christianism. You can see the church here. The place of worship is church. This religion also began some 2000 years ago. The founder is Jesus Christ and the followers are Christians. And the holy book for Christians, you know, Bible, New Testament. Sikhs. You can see the Gurdwara over here. Sikhism began around 700 years ago. The place of worship is Gurdwara. The founder is Guru Nanak Dev Ji and the followers are Sikhs. And the holy book for Sikhism is Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Let's come to the fifth one, Buddhism. Buddhism was founded some 2006 years ago. So you must be knowing that Hinduism and Buddhism is the most oldest religion in India. Jainism also. So the place of worship is monastery. The founder is Gautam Buddha. The followers are known as Buddhist. 6 number, Jainism was founded some 2006 years ago. So the place of worship is Jain temple. The founder is Mahavir Swami and the followers are Jains. Let's come to the 7th one, Shintoism. Shintoism originated in Japan. The place of worship is Shinto shrine. The founder is Shinto. The followers are Shintoist. And the holy book for Shintoism are Kojiki. The 8th one, Zoroastrianism, originated in Persia. The place of worship is Fire Temple. The founder is Zarathustra and the followers are known as Zoroastrians. And the holy book for them is Avesta. Okay. So let me tell you something about the Hinduism religion. This religion has no founder. Brahma is the first god, and you all know that Hinduism is also known as Sanatan Dharam. Islam. Islam is an Abrahamic religion teaching that there is only one God, the second largest religion of the world. They celebrate Eid ul-Fitr as the main religion. Christianism, it is the religion based on life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Easter is the main one, and the Christmas is the main festival of them. Sikhism is a religion that originated in Punjab region. You all know that they say the God as Vaheguru. Vaheguru means wonderful God. So it's all about the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Buddhism is the world fourth largest religion. So meditation is the main essential practice of Buddha. Jainism believe that everything, no matter how small, has a soul and should not be harmed. So it is also the oldest religion. They are mostly vegetarians. They are wearing masks to avoid the swallowing of insects. Shintoism, it is not mostly practiced in India. It was originated in Japan. Shinto means the way of the god, worshipping the forces of nature. And Zoroastrianism, it is also not mostly practiced in India. It is an Asian Persian religion 4000 years ago, and it believed that there is one universe, all good and supreme creator, offer dry sandalwood to the fire. So that is why they worship in the fire temple. So that's all about chapter Our Religion. Thank you, students.